A big accident was avoided during a wedding in Fatehpur village of Khanwa district. The groom was riding a horse as the wedding procession entered the village. People were dancing to loud drum and DJ music. Suddenly, the horse got scared because of the noise. It became uncontrollable and jumped into a nearby open well. The groom quickly jumped off the horse and saved his life. Villagers rushed to the spot and rescued the horse after some effort. No one was seriously injured. After the rescue, the wedding ceremony continued safely in the village. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav announced that a state cabinet meeting will be held in Balaghat for the first time after the end of Naxal activities in the region. On Monday, the CM visited Balaghat and paid tribute to martyrs at the memorial. He also saw an exhibition about anti-Naxal operations. The CM gave out-of-turn promotion to 60 Hawks 4 soldiers for their bravery in encounters. He inaugurated and laid foundation stone for 27 development projects worth Rs 100 crore 90 lakhs. The visit highlighted development and security efforts in the district.
अलग-अलग क्षेत्रों में कृषि कैबिनेट करने वाले हैं ताकि समग्र विकास की कल्पना की जा सके। तो मैं इस बात के लिए कहना चाहूंगा कि इस महाकौशल के बेल्ट में कृषि कैबिनेट बालाघाट में की जाएगी इसी स्थान पर।
A 6-year-old boy died in Datia 25 days after being bitten by a stray dog. The child had received 3 anti-rabies vaccine doses after the attack. However, doctors said the dog had bitten him on his head and neck, which is very dangerous. The virus quickly spread to his brain. The boy Hans Prajapati was playing outside his home on January 13 when the dog attacked him. He had seriously injured on his head, neck and hands. Despite treatment, he could not survive. The stray dog was later found dead in the village. The Supreme Court could not hear the case related to Minister Vijay Shah's controversial statement about Colonel Sofia Qureshi on February 9th. When the case was called for hearing, the court's working times had already ended. Because of this, the matter was postponed. A new date for hearing will be given soon. The state government has already submitted its report to the court as ordered earlier. The case remains under legal process. Further updates are expected after the next hearing in the Supreme Court. A statement by AIMIM leader Takhir Nizami in Bhopal has created political controversy. A video of his speech is going viral on social media. In the video, he divided Muslims into 3 types and made remarks linking them to different political parties. His words have triggered debate and criticism from various groups. Many people are discussing the issue online and in political circles. So far, no official action has been announced. The statement has increased political tension in the state. The district administration in Baitul has started efforts to improve emergency services in narrow streets of some city areas. Collector Narendra Kumar Suryavanshi and SP Vijendra Jain conducted a joint foot inspection in Tilak Azad and Aryapura wards. These areas have very narrow lanes, making it difficult for ambulances, fire brigades and police vehicles to move during emergencies. Officials checked the situation and discussed possible solutions. This was the first time senior officer visited these areas on foot to understand the ground problems. A big protest took place in Bhopal over the issue of alleged beef and dirty water supply. Congress workers led by Ravindra Sahu Jhumarwala gathered outside the municipal office at ISPT. They surrounded the office and raised slogans against Mayor Malti Rai and other officials. Protesters burned an effigy and carried a large cutout showing the mayor with multiple heads. There was pushing and shouting between police and protesters. The issue has been in discussion for nearly a month and has now turned into a political protest. Madhya Pradesh will continue to experience cold weather for the next 2 days. Night temperatures in Gwalior, Chambal, Rewa and Shahdol divisions are expected to stay below 10 degrees Celsius. At present, Katni and Shahdol are recording the lowest temperatures in the state. Bhopal and Indore have also seen a drop in night temperature. Weather officials say that after 2 days the temperature is likely to increase gradually. People are advised to take precautions especially during night and early morning hours as cold condition may continue briefly.